Hey, what's up, Polygon holder? What's going on this time? I think the Polygon price will pumping up, and congratulations, my brothers. This time, Polygon price will starting increasing now. 6.7% the price is increased now. You can see here in last 3 days. I think this is really massive pump and very short time. Absolutely, there is no chance, my friend, in the crypto market to without my friend, Shiba Inu coin. Shiba Inu is one of the fastest cryptocurrency. This time, completely on the trending. So I will suggest to recommend all of you now to invest now in Shiba Inu coin. It's 100% going good, but Polygon is also one of the best coin, my friends. So I think it's also going very good now, 6.7%. If you are, my friend, very genius holder, so I hope, my friend, you will earn a lot of money from Polygon. But if you are not a genius, I think Shiba Inu is very good for you, my friend, and invest for a long time. I hope they will give you a profit. But Polygon is absolutely one of the fastest cryptocurrency. So if you want, my friends, to earn money from crypto, I think Polygon is also one of the stable coins. So invest now. I hope they will give you a profit. In last one day, you could see, my friend, 5.67% profit. In last 7 days, you could see 7.38% profit. But if we check out the Shiba Inu coin, so Shiba Inu 256% get a profit in last 7 days. So therefore, it is unbelievable and massive change occurring, my friend, in Shiba Inu coin. So please, holder, I hope, my friend, you will better understand. This time, my friend, you can see the Shiba Inu Polygon price will pumping up hour by hour, minute by minute. In last 3 days, you can see, my friend, they will get a 6.7% profit. And I hope, my friend, in upcoming time the Polygon price will more up pumping up. But that's all possible if you are hold. If you are starting selling, so they will never give you a profit. But if you are starting holding, so I hope, my friends, to Polygon will give you a profit. So kindly, holders, I have a request from all of you to please hold down. I hope they will make you a millionaire. See you next time, holder. Please like video and don't forget to subscribe this channel.